But as
Tanushree,
of now,
is there
students
any
are
clarity at this point of time? What will this objective assessment be when it comes to class 10th students? Because class 10th results are extremely crucial to decide which student gets into science, arts or commerce. When the HRD ministry says the result is to be prepared on the basis of an objective criteria to be developed by the board, do we know what this, what are the contours of this objective criteria?
Well, Gaurav, what we are gathering from the CBSE officials and our sources in the board is that an objective criteria will be developed by the CBSE board itself, along with the schools, respective schools. Now, what the objective criteria will hold is it is going to be a sort of an internal assessment. Every school has an internal assessment. In the last year also, we were in the middle of a pandemic and students couldn't go to schools. They had to give online examination, online practicals, online theories. On the basis of that, the board is going to prepare a sort of an internal assessment and marks will be given to those students on the basis of that internal assessment. Now, the CBSE has given, Gaurav, a very fair chance to all the students. They have said that if any student is not satisfied with the marks given to them, he or she can sit for an offline examination as and when the situation, the environment is conducive. So that's, I think, fair enough for the students that they will be given marks on the basis of an internal assessment, and if any student is not satisfied, he or she will be given another opportunity to sit for an offline examination and prove himself
Tanushree, for the moment,
whenever the situation is conducive. So